Before we talk about raising awareness for the healthcare technology management industry, before we talk about how critical we are to hospital operations, before we ask the world to see us, we've got to take a hard look at how we see each other. You want respect, you want recognition, you want the industry to evolve. Then it starts here, inside the HTM community. Because let's be honest, you can't post all day about being a hidden hero if the moment someone new joins your team, you treat them like a threat. You can't talk about wanting to mentor the next generation if you roll your eyes every time an intern asks a question. You can't fight to be valued in the hospital when the culture in your own shop is toxic, competitive, and cold. Before we fix the equipment, before we fix the image of HTM to the outside world, let's fix how we treat each other. Because no one will believe in the power of this profession if the people in it don't even believe in each other. Being a leader isn't about listing your accomplishments to prove you belong. And your reason for doing what you do shouldn't be because you're the leader. Leadership is about position. It's about posture. It's about how you serve, how you listen, and how you lift others while no one's watching. Because the moment you stop leading with your heart and start leading with your resume, you've already lost the room. You want to grow the pipeline. Start by creating a culture that people actually want to be part of. You want visibility. Start by being visible to your coworkers, not just your followers. You want your work to be seen as critical to patient care. Then show people inside your own four walls that they matter too. HTM isn't just about uptime, it's about unity. And if we can't build that, if we can't have each other's backs, then we're just a team with tools, not a movement with momentum. So today, let's be the reason someone doesn't quit. Let's be the reason someone stays. Let's be the proof that there's something powerful growing inside the HTM industry, and it starts with how we treat our own. Unseen, but unstoppable. Let's live that together.